Uncover your PC's power. Learn how to find computer specs on Windows 11 in just a few steps. Stay tuned for a quick guide to unveil the details of your device's capabilities. Click the Windows button, type CMD, and launch the administrator version of the command prompt in the following CMD window. When you input the command system information and hit Enter, the specifications will appear in the command window. Click on the Windows button, type System Information, and select it from the list of results. You will find far more in-depth information here than you did with the earlier techniques. Examine the specifications of your computer by going to System Properties. To accomplish this, you must right-click the This PC icon and then choose the Properties menu. This will bring up a new window with basic computer information, like your system's processor, RAM, and even the operating system version. Click the Start button, choose the Settings icon, and then click System in the ensuing box. From the left pane, then navigate down to the About option. When you choose the About option, the same window containing your device's specifications will open. Choose the Windows terminal as administrator by performing a right-click on the Windows button, and then in the ensuing dialog, there are several ways to find out your computer characteristics. Just type the command, obtain line computer info, and press Enter. Here, you will also view the full computer specifications, just like in the prior technique, allowing you to go deeper than the typical methods. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.